Integrating teamwork.com with Jira can streamline your workflow, enhance communication, and ensure seamless project tracking across your team. In this video, I'll show you how to easily set up this integration to get your teams working more efficiently and effectively. By the end, you'll know exactly how to integrate these two tools, saving you time and ensuring that both platforms are synced perfectly. Keep watching, as we'll also explore some exclusive ways you can use this integration for free. First, let's talk about why you'd want to integrate teamwork.com with Jira in the first place. Teamwork is great for project management, while Jira excels in issue tracking and agile project workflows. By integrating the two, you're combining their strengths, allowing your teams to manage projects and track issues without duplicating work or losing context. It's a time saver and ensures everyone stays on the same page. Now, let's dive into how to set up the integration. Start by going to your teamwork.com dashboard. Once you're logged in, head to the integration section found under your settings. This is where you'll find all the available integrations. From here, you can search for Jira and click to begin the connection process. Teamwork allows you to link with multiple Jira accounts if needed, and you'll have options to link specific projects within Teamwork to your Jira boards. You'll be asked to provide your Jira account details. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you have admin rights for both platforms because you'll need them to complete the integration. After entering your Jira credentials, Teamwork will sync with your Jira instance, and you'll have the option to choose which projects you want to integrate. This gives you flexibility, as you can link only the relevant projects, preventing unnecessary clutter. Once you've selected your projects, you can choose what information you want to sync between the two platforms. Typically, you'll sync tasks, milestones, and issue status updates. This ensures that a task's progress in Teamwork automatically updates in Jira and vice versa. It's a seamless back and forth that keeps everything updated in real time. After syncing, every time a new task or milestone is created in Teamwork, it will automatically create an issue in Jira, and updates made in Jira will reflect in Teamwork. This ensures that both your project management and issue tracking systems are always aligned, preventing miscommunication between teams. There's also an optional feature that lets you create a link between specific Teamwork tasks and Jira issues. This is especially useful when you're working on complex tasks that require attention from both your project management team and your development team. Now, let me mention a little something extra that could make all the difference. As a bonus for watching, you can access this integration and use the software completely free from the first link below with our exclusive bonuses. This is a great opportunity if you're new to either of these tools or if you want to try them out before committing. If you stick with me till the end, I'll also mention how you can get an extended free trial of the software and take full advantage of these features. So don't miss out. Click the link in the description and let's keep your teams aligned and efficient. By integrating teamwork.com with Jira, you've essentially unlocked a more connected, streamlined process for your team to tackle any project. You'll have real-time updates, fewer manual tasks, and a unified workflow, helping everyone stay productive and focused on what matters most.